Today we are doing a recipe video which is my favorite afternoon snack, and it is a banana oatmeal cookie recipe. This is quick and easy and healthy. If you have only 10 minutes, it's great for you. Hello guys, I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel. And please subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and let's be friends on social media. You can find us on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Twitter and on Instagram under the account name Bites Fitness, and you can find our links in the description below. Okay guys, so let's start by preheating the oven for about 200-220 Celsius. Okay, 220, and we can carry on and I will show you the ingredients. So let's see what you will need for this recipe. It is very simple and you only need a few ingredients, okay? So our main ingredients, I have 3 bananas. I usually use 3. This is good for 2 people. I also have some steel cut oats. We also have some cinnamon. You will need very little of this. We also have some cocoa powder. This will give it the great chocolate taste. We have some coconut flakes and some blanched almonds, and some coconut oil or olive oil. I have olive oil here now, and a pan to make it in, a bowl to mix everything, and for measurements I only use a tablespoon. Okay, so we are starting with the bananas. We are peeling them and putting them in the bowl where we will mash all of them together. You can also boost this recipe if you want with some protein powder. I usually do that, but today I decided not to. You can use vegan protein powder without any flavoring. You can use vanilla or chocolate as well, and we are mashing them up. The riper your bananas, the better, because you will mash them easier. And the more ripe it is, the more sugar it has in it. So your cookies will be much more sweet. Okay. Then let's move on to our oats. I usually do for these 3 bananas 6 tablespoons of oats. Mash all of these together. Okay, just a touch of cinnamon, very little. And our cocoa powder. I use 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. And finally, 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Oops, that's okay. We are not perfect. This gives our cookies some healthy fats. And also our almonds. Also 2 or 3 tablespoons. We can go with 3. And after you mix all of these together, you should line your pan with some olive oil or coconut oil, whatever you have. I will just even this out. And we can place our cookies. So now we are putting all of these in a pan. You can use some forms if you want to make them look nicer, but I usually, since they are so easy and quick and just for an afternoon snack for us, I usually just form small circles and put them in the pan. Okay, so we can start placing our little cookies. They are not the prettiest, but you know, they are healthy, they are easy, they are good for you, so... And I think they are okay, they look okay. And we are ready. And I don't know if you can hear, but we have a little guest here. Yoda, come. My biggest help in the kitchen is Yoda. And he's usually just a taster, but he's the best taster, right? And he's also a YouTube star. He has his YouTube channel, Yoda for President. So you can check him out as well. And he's the cutest. Say hi. Okay guys, so we have our cookies in the pan, so what's left is to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, now we wait. Okay guys, so about 15 minutes passed and I took out our cookies and I left them cool down for about 5 or 10 minutes and then we can take them out of the pan. Okay, so now I'm taking them out on a plate, one by one. They should be easily removed from the pan because of the oil you put under it. Oops, okay. And they should be ready in 15 minutes. Maybe if your oven is not that strong, you will need more time, but you can check it out after 15 minutes and leave it for a couple more minutes if you think that it is needed. Okay, and that's it. They are ready. Our great banana oatmeal afternoon snack cookies. They are healthy, they are quick. They have some coconut flakes, some almonds. Yes. Okay guys, so we are ready with our quick, simple 10 minutes banana and oatmeal cookies. And please let me know if you try this recipe. I would love to know. Please leave me a comment. And please like this video if you try this. You can make it with protein powder or any other type of nuts. Just please let me know. And thank you so much for watching this video. And leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you try this recipe. And yeah. Love you guys! Guys, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel and hit that little notification bell because we are posting new videos for you guys every weekday. And please check out our YouTube channel for similar videos or the 2 videos besides me.